thanks to Bitcoin, my altcoin long positions are exploding. But I want to enter also Bitcoin long position. So in the daily time frame, it does not look pretty exciting, and we have a really big red candle here. Oh, 1 hour time frame. Oh, we have pretty decent volume here on the breakout on 1 hourly. This gives me confidence that Bitcoin is really gonna retest 50. So I'm already made my trading decision. Wait for the pullback. Probably, I think it's gonna retest this. I'm gonna look if these lines and these gonna hold the Bitcoin price. If so, there is one entry point, 44,800 coin. If you have been watching me, we were talking about last 2 days different possible scenarios that Bitcoin could choose, because these last days were pretty uncertain and Bitcoin had to make decision. It's going downwards or upwards, and we have pretty nice green candle here. And I'm going to look at this together with you and find some possible entry position. So right now I'm not in a Bitcoin long position, but actually my long positions for altcoins are exploding, such as ADA and DOT. Actually, I bought ADA at 2 cents because I was pretty sure ADA was not gonna go below $2. And when ADA went up to 2.3, I knew that it was a strong resistance. I knew that Bitcoin was not going up, so ADA could not make it, so I sold it there. I saved my profits, secured my profits, and then ADA went down to $2 again. I bought it again for $2, and right now it's last time I checked it is on 222. So yeah, thanks to Bitcoin, my altcoin long positions are exploding. But I want to enter also Bitcoin long position or some trade if I see it. I miss this trade because, as you know, I'm not a day trader. I just don't sit and check these charts all the time. But when I check, I try to find possible good entry points once or twice a day. Well, we can clearly see these two really green candles. I'm just checking now daily time frame, but what I don't see what I don't see now that the very exciting is that we don't have much volume for this breakout. So watch out. I would watch out for these guys. Volume is not sufficient for this breakout to be confirmed. Let's say we need to see some big volume, at least something like this. But this is definitely not good amount of volume. As we can see, there are way more bigger red candles last days. So in the daily time frame, it does not look pretty exciting, and we have a really big red candle here. So we watch out about this. I would watch out about this. But just like I said in my previous videos, I was sure that if we would break this level and then this level, we could retest this level. So yeah, maybe I think it's possible, if it's actually 14% rate, it's still possible that Bitcoin is gonna retest this level. Yeah, 50,000. I think it is possible, but with this volume, I don't think it's gonna be able to break out it. Anyways, we have some more room to go, and let's check smaller time frames, like 1 hour time frame. Oh, we have pretty decent volume here on the breakout on 1 hourly. That's not bad. Actually, it's pretty good. Let's check out the volumes. Wow, this is really nice volume here. We have, how much is this? 2.6k. It's really good volume for these breakouts. This gives me confidence that Bitcoin is really gonna retest 50. So I'm already made my trading decision. I don't think now it's a perfect entry point. I would wait for the pullback. It's not 100% guaranteed that there will be a pullback, but most likely we can't shoot straight in the sky, in the moon. Usually breakouts like this at some point have some pullback. So I'm gonna check how low does this pullback take the Bitcoin price. Probably, I think it's gonna retest this support here, previous resistance, or this one. So I'm gonna look if these lines and these gonna hold the Bitcoin price. If so, I will enter here with the small position. I will just check that 1 hourly candle can close above this level several times. I will open small trade here, and then if it continues down here, I will check the actions. If I see that this support, which is 42,500 approximately, I will check if it also holds well, and I think it should hold well, very well, because this we could not break. I don't think that we can come below 40, below again to 41. So if it comes as low as 42,500, I think that's gonna be good entry point. And at the moment, again, it's not an exact science, but I believe it's pretty likely that we can see some pullback. There is one entry point at 44,800, another entry point 40. Guys, remember that I don't like to trade all my portfolio, so liquidation price for me is pretty low, so I can afford to enter here too, because I am sure I don't like it. I've never advised to anybody, by the way, to use 10x, 20x. 10x it's okay maybe, but I don't usually use 10x too. I'm not an aggressive trader, but 20x, 100x is really risky. You could lose all your money, especially if you are a beginner. So because I don't trade usually with all my portfolio, I can afford to enter here, then I can add to my position here, because I think at this point we are not going to come to this level, because this acted as a very strong resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 41,000 was tested 6 times, and it could hold, and as many times, we know the deal, right? As many times we test and can break the resistance, stronger it becomes. So it's really strong resistance. I don't think we are going to be able at this point to break it up, but it's a very volatile market. Everything can happen. Remember to put your stop losses and take profits. We are just talking about probabilities here, but it's not an exact science. But all like more than 85% of my trades went into profit. I profited from them. There are several reasons why my trades are in profit usually. But one of the main reasons why I don't enter market with my full equity, when I see the price direction, I just open small position, and I'm not afraid to, if price goes in another direction, it's possible. I'm not afraid to add even more on my position, and my stop losses is not really too close, because if it's a very volatile market, if you are going to enter market here and your stop loss is here, well, yeah, it's just the resistance line, but it's really likely that at some point volatility can trigger your stop loss, and then market may continue upwards just like you predicted, and you just lost your position because of your stop loss is too close. It's a volatile market. I made this mistake. I predicted very well the direction, but due to stop losses I could not make it. So that's one of the things that I learned in this market. And for more tips about trading, I will make other videos. And if you are a beginner trader, my aim is to help you to trading. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and wait for my upcoming videos, how I was able to trade and make some money 2021. Bye for now.